Should have known better.
Oh, baby, let me change your life. You want to see that you can be anything you want, baby.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl and I for Kicks. Welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and start off this video with some good news, some positive things that happened. First of all, I got another W on sneakers. Your girl got herself the black and white dunks that just dropped that everybody's dubbing the pandas. Super excited to get those in. I did try to go for the Syracuse dunks, the highs that they had coming out or that they released. Took an L on that, took an L on the carpet dunks that dropped this morning. But you know what? I got a W this week. I'll take it. It's a huge win, especially as always on Sneakers app. And then tomorrow, the 9s, the Change the World 9s, the women's exclusive or women's release are coming out tomorrow. I'm super excited. I have so many amazing things that I can wear with those shoes. Those colors are all kind of staples in my wardrobe. So, and plus they're a women's release, so they fit just perfect. Super excited to get up tomorrow and try to get those. Alright, so before we get into the unboxing portion of this video, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you are liking the videos, and for this, comment below, have you ever done a mystery box? Have you ever ordered one from somebody? Who did you get it from? Were you happy with what you received? Were you really disappointed? Let me know about your experience in the comments below. Alright, so it was super late one night. I'm watching my usual, YouTube sneakerheads, and I come across a video with, I think Stefaniuk, and he's talking about his mystery boxes that he does monthly, and how, one of these mystery boxes will have a pair of Dior's in it, and well, that right there already had me. And then he talks about like 30 other boxes could have 30 or so, I don't remember exactly, but could have a Jordan 1 in it. So I'm like, all right, this is great. Like, I could get a freaking pair of Dior's for 50 bucks. So, I automatically jump up, grab my car, and go online, place an order. So then I get curious, and I'm like, well, let me see what other, people have gotten from him in previous mystery boxes. I do a little bit of research, and it's all just people getting t-shirts, his merchandise, which, to be fair, he does promise $50, worth of stuff in the box, and his t-shirts are priced at $25 each. So 90% of the boxes that I have seen unboxed or opened on other YouTube channels have at least 2 t-shirts and a couple other little things with it. So you are getting the value of the box, but when you're ordering the box hoping for a pair of sneakers, it's highly disappointing. So, has anybody ever actually seen somebody get, a pair of Dior's or even a retro Jordan and I'm so sorry if I say it wrong, but Stefaniuk's boxes? Like, I don't know. I don't know how many boxes go out and who all gets them, but you know what? My box finally arrived. Unfortunately, I am highly disappointed because clearly there is not a single pair of shoes in a box this size. But you know what? We're gonna go ahead and open this thing on camera with you guys so we can see what's in the box. Surprise, surprise, we got some t-shirts. But again, in his defense, he didn't say you're guaranteed a pair of Dior's or a pair of retro Jordans. I just heard the opportunity and took it as I was going to get one. So anyhow, all right, so he likes to do all these, feeling, real, or he has this whole theme So we got a lovely Feeling Real t-shirt. All I know is I'm going to have a couple more t-shirts to just lounge around the house. And then we've got, literally it's like the Sonic, you know, little symbol, but it's Feel Real. Yeah, not really feeling these, but that's all right. And then, so I'm even more disappointed with this box than I thought I would be. Every YouTube channel that I've seen doing unboxing of this particular mystery box, you know, they got their t-shirts, they got some stickers, but they also got a sneaker keychain, like, you know, like a Yeezy or a Jordan, like, which I would be okay if I got one of those. Like, all right, I'll chalk it up as a loss, but at least I got a cool keychain. No, I didn't even get a freaking keychain. I got freaking shoelaces. Shoelaces. What am I gonna do with that? I'm not sticking those in any of my sneakers. So if anybody wants a pair of blue and gray shoelaces, I will gladly ship them to you. Let me know in my comments. And then I've got this sticker. Like, I can you see it? Like, I don't know. If you want the shoelaces, I'll throw in the sticker for you. I don't know what else to do with it. And then, you know, his lovely business card. Yeah, I don't care what possible shoe that I might get in another mystery box from him. Me personally, I will not be ordering another mystery box. Y'all can form your own opinions on his mystery boxes based on this unboxing, but it's a no for your girl. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Like I said, as far as what's coming out next and what I've got my eye on, tomorrow it's definitely the 9s, and you know, this weekend I'm gonna do some rounds at the mall, see if I can find anything, and y'all already know I will make sure I film anything that I see. So until next time, guys, it's your girl and I for Kicks.